own this app on your phone, you should consider yourself less smart. And what app is this? Hello, just welcome back to my digital space. My name is Pius, and on this channel we talk about all things digital related, self-learning, self-growth, lifestyle generally. In today's video, we will be looking at 5 apps or websites or platform or software every smart person owns. Yes, 5 apps you find in the phone of every smart person. Now, do you consider yourself a smart person? Let's see how many of these apps are on your phone. Stay tuned as we go right into that. Smartness can be measured in different levels, but today we are looking at 5 apps to know every smart person has or should have or will have or it's having. So the very first on the list is cloud storage. What do I mean by cloud storage? So there are several apps that fall under the cloud storage category. First, we have Google Drive, Google Photos, iCloud, Microsoft OneDrive, and a whole bunch of them. Every smart person on planet Earth is supposed to have, should have, or has a cloud storage app on their phone. Reason because all foreseen circumstances are bound to happen. So you need to have a safe place where you could keep your file, your photos, your videos, your data, and other information, your contacts as well. So it is a must-have for every smart person to have a cloud storage app. Okay. Before we get to the second app on the list, you'll be surprised how people still have photos from 15 years ago when they've changed several devices. That is because they all have a cloud storage app. All you need to do is log in your details in any device at all, and you have all your pictures and photos from years back in that new device. So, do you have any cloud storage app on your phone? Next on the list is a web browser. People say, ordinary web browser. Yes, it is not ordinary. There are some people, smart people, own at least 2 web browsers on their phone. If not for the fact that some web browsers come pre-installed with some device, some people would never, in fact, some people has never made use of their web browser in months. And every smart person gets to ask the web browser question, at least one question a day. They say information is power, and it is the duty of a smart person to always want to know more, learn new things. So the web browser is a software that links you to the internet. So you can ask the internet any question at all, and you do that using a web browser. What do I mean by web browser? Google Chrome, Google Search, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera Mini, Phoenix. There are many web browsers. Sapphire, yes, for iPhone users, they also have Sapphire. There are several web browsers, and every smart person owns at least 2 web browsers on their device. Some say a good name is better than wealth. Others say, show me who you are, and show me who your friends are, and I'll tell you who you are. So many saying goes around connections and people you know. It's necessary for a smart person to own at least 1 or 2 social media app. Reason because you want to connect, to meet people, know people, get to acquainted with people, hear people's thoughts, opinion over different things. So it is necessary for you to own a social media platform. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, WeChat, name them. There are so many of them in today's society. So every smart person owns a social media platform, or social media app, or social media website, social media software, anything you want to call it. Next on the list, we have the investment or saving apps. Yes, every smart person invest and save, because you don't just live a life of earn spend in, spend in, spend. A smart person has a in, spend, invest, save policy. So because you want to save and invest money, you need some of these apps that help you invest or save, like the stock, forest, crypto. For some save, there are some other saving app like piggyvest, carrywise. Okay, depending on your country, different countries have different saving app they can make use of. But for here in my country, I think the most popular one are piggyvest, carrywise, and I can't remember what else. But every smart person owns an investment or a saving app on their phone. Now I want you to go through your phone. Yes. How many saving or investment apps can you see, or how many do you have? When you answer that question, you now consider yourself a smart or a less smart person. Okay. Now moving on to the fifth on the list. No. Before we get to the fifth on the list, we have a bonus app on this list, and this bonus app is a puzzle game or a strategy game. Every smart person owns either a puzzle game or a strategy game on their phone. What do I mean by this? Some games require you to do lots of thinking, tactical movements, how to know what your next step will be, what to know the right move to make use of your chances. Like there are some games that help your brain work. They exercise your brain. Now, most smart people, or every smart person, has at least one of these games on their phone. Candy Crush, Puzzle Link, cookies, word cookies, like any game that requires your mind to calculate or to remember stuff is considered a strategy or puzzle game. So every smart person owns one of these games on their phone. Moving on to the fifth on our list is, give me a drum roll. Every smart person owns this very app. And if you do not own this app on your phone, you should consider yourself less smart. And what app is this? It is the YouTube app. Yes, you heard me clearly. The YouTube is the world free teacher and entertainer. Like the world free tutor and entertainer. And if you are calling yourself a smart person and you do not own this app, you are not smart, because every smart person learn new stuff every day. Every smart person try to learn new things, do things by themselves, and YouTube can teach you any and everything you want to know as an individual. So if you do not have a YouTube app on your phone, consider yourself less of a smart person. And if you've got to this point of this video and you've not yet clicked that subscribe button and you have the YouTube app on your phone, you should also be considering yourself a less of a smart person. Please say thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. But do well to click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you feel there are other apps a smart person own that should be on this list, I would like to get your thoughts on that in the comment section. So I hope to see you in the comment section and in my next video. Bye. Today we'll be looking at fine. Have I been nagging? No. I've said it no. Yeah. Let me check this video. If this video was not recorded.